Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Also included is the hand-free package, which allows you to access the trunk with a simple swipe of the foot to open the tailgate. Set all season and regular floor mats. Alongside, we got blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, a dark brown linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. This one does come with the Premium 1 package. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, our media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 21,023 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.